hindi rin nila pagbibigyan yun. 59-51 ang nasa ating talaan, Richard. USA will have possession to open this final frame. Double team right away. They go to Barnes. Arnold from the perimeter. Three-pointer, no good. Rebound, USA. Douthit clears it finally. Tatakbo mga Pilipino.
Lucky break for us there. At he had the inside position of that offensive rebound.
Tenorio came on strong late in the third quarter. Can he continue here? Pull-up jumper.
Yes!
18-footer is good!
Ito na, unti-unti na tayo lumalapit dito. Two-possession ball game lamang.
6 na lamang, 11 na para dito kay LA Tenorio. Here comes the USA. Good chance of defense. Tenorio, or Fonacier takes it away. Tenorio with a slap. Tenorio nagantay muna ng rest back. Will pull up for a three.
Oh! Big three by LA!
LA Tenorio carrying the Philippines on his shoulders right now. Baba sa tatlo ang abante ng Estados Unidos.
And right now, USA confused on how to defend that single high screen. LA Tenorio confusing the Americans here. A big basket, only down by 3. 9 minutes pa natitira sa laban na ito.
59-56. The Americans look shell-shocked at this point, Richard. Tignan ulit natin yung mga napakagandang ginawa ni Teniente Tenorio.
Tingnan nyo, defense going under the screen. LA taking advantage, recognizing that. Hitting this big three-point shot. Giving USA just a 3-point lead.
LA Tenorio with the last 7 Philippine points, bridging the third and fourth quarters, cutting this USA lead to just 3 points. Ibang klase pinakikitang puso dito ni Luis Alfred Tenorio.
And finally, we had a hot start. First time in this game. In all the quarters, medyo malamya yung start natin. And right now, USA feeling the pressure. And it's harder to shoot once you're pressured. At yun ang binigay natin ngayon dito sa USA. Well, let's see how they will react.
Fonacier gives up the foul on a driving Wayne Arnold. Justice kayo tatanggap ng bola. Tenorio bantay niya. James Justice pulls up for a three. No, Douthit with a rebound. LA na naman ang didiskarte para dito sa Gilas. Pasa niya natapik. Fonacier picks it up. Larry to the corner. Gabe for three. Yes! Tabla na ang ating labanan. 59-0. What a run by Gilas Pilipinas. The Americans starting to feel the pressure. Pull-up jumper. Nope. Douthit with another rebound.
Ito na, panlamang na natin. Ball is in our hands.
Tenorio kontra Justice. Bibigyan ng pick ni Douthit. LA with some separation. LA on the run.
Yes! LA Tenorio, smallest guy on the floor for Team Philippines, but showing the biggest heart so far.
Justice gustong bumawi. Bumps into Douthit. Justice crashes to the floor. Second team foul yan ng Pilipinas dito sa fourth and final quarter as we take another look at that Tenorio move on the run. What a performance here by LA.
Philippines giving USA headaches on that single high screen.
61-59. Gilas looking for a stop. Marshall leans in. Huli ka.
Blocked by Norwood.
Traffic doon sa loob, pero etong si Marshall finds a way. Or rather, Dearman.
We're hoping to say LA has enough gas in his tank to finish this game.
Douthit asking for that leather. Norwood to Douthit on the roll. Marcus is fouled.
Great read right now. Team Pilipinas just going to the pick and roll offense. And right now, USA doesn't know what to do, if they'll go under, if they'll go show on the shooter. And right now, we just have to recognize that and give the ball to the open man. This time, si Marcus Douthit yung nalibre.
Double-double na para dito kay Big Daddy Douthit. Minalas lang doon sa una.
ayun, dinasalan ko na yung pangalawang free throw na yon. At buti na lang pumasok.
Buti na lang, malakas ka.
Kaya tumahimik ako eh.
Buti na lang, malakas ka doon sa nasa taas.
Ayun.
The Americans looking to snatch back the lead. Wala nang 7 minuto natitira sa bakbakan na ito. Marshall kicks it back out. Justice will not be denied.
I mean, this guy really showing some guts. Right now, look at him sticking closely to LA Tenorio. Talagang inaasawa na niya itong si LA.
Sticky defense ginagamit ni James Justice doon. Ayaw nang paporma yun o patanggapin man lang.
Marcus
si LA
has to
Tenorio.
roll.
Fonacier on the move.
Right now, everybody contributing here para sa Team Pilipinas.
Justice, sinalubong ni Douthit, nowhere to go.
Got to tap the ball once it's on the floor.
Na-recover pa na itong mga Amerikano. Barnes kicks it over.
6 seconds to shoot.
3-pointer on the way.
Oh, big basket there for USA.
Big 3 by Arnold gives him a 2-point lead. Wala nang 6 na minuto natitira sa bakbakan na ito. Douthit looking for Larry. LA na lang daw ang gusto niyang puntahan. Now they go to Chan.
Nice fake by Jeff.
Chan all the way is fouled.
Kasi lahat ngayon naka-extend out na talaga yung defense ng USA. So you have to take advantage of the momentum of the defender trying to close out on the shooters and really attack and see the driving lane once it's open.
Lines up his second. He's got 18 points in total in this game. Isa ang abante ng Amerika. 5:35 natitira. Gilas Pilipinas looking for a stop. Fonacier holding his own sa pagkakataon na yun. Spin into the lane. Mintis para dito kay Dearman. Fonacier picks it up. Mercado to Chan. Mag-aantay muna ng Respa.
Oo. There's the ball screen.
Jeff to Douthit. Kicks it over. 3-pointer on the way.
Yes! What confidence of Gabe Norwood on Larry Fonacier.
The baby-faced assassin has done it again. Lamang na ng dalawa ang Pilipinas. Marshall with a pull-up from the elbow. Tabla na naman tayo.
Great guts and composure being shown by both squads.
Chan ang nagtawid, dinala kay Mercado bola. 4:35 natitira sa ating orasan. Mercado through a Douthit pick. Solomon stomping on his tracks. Douthit has to put it up.
Oh,
Gets the rattle. Sinwerte pa dun.
Tumatawag ng 3-second call yung coach ng kalaban. Mabuti na lang, mas kamukha natin itong mga referee.
Hindi, wala si 3-second rep ngayon dyan.
Ha? Wala nga.
Absent. 70-68. USA down by 2. Natapikan ng bola. Shot clock is at 9. Justice looking to dance with Mercado. Solomon sticking with
They
him.
gotta get steady and contain your man.
3 more seconds of defense. Pull-up jumper. No on the bailout. Running out of space. Gilas Pilipinas will have possession.
Good break there for Team Pilipinas.
3:53 natitira sa larong ito. Gilas Pilipinas looking to slap on a bigger lead than 2. Norwood, si Douthit mukhang pagod na, nakahawak na sa kanyang tuhod. We'll go pick and roll. Norwood with a pull-up. No go, no rebounders that time.
Sprint back. Kasi nga, sabi mo nga, medyo nakakaramdam na ng pagod si Marcus Douthit.
Look
Hindi
at
na
him
siya
battle.
nag-roll towards the basket.
Look at him battle underneath. Kiskisan sa pwestuhan. Now they go to Dearman. Pagod na nga si Marcus dito.
Pagod na siya. Naatrasan na siya doon and wasn't able to put a hand up to challenge that shot. But you can't put him out of the game right now with 3 minutes left.
Si Douthit ngayon palang tatawid ng half-court line. Norwood has to get them going. Chan with 12 to work with. Jeff Chan finding Norwood underneath. Is fouled.
Ang kailangan ngayon ng mga ibang players natin to try and Marcus Douthit throughout the remainder of this game. Dahil nga sa napapagod na siya, they have to share the responsibility here. Not only of scoring, but most especially in getting rebounds.
L.A. Tenorio now back on the floor. Para dito sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Nice breather he got from Sol Mercado. Anyari, mukhang offensive foul pa yata.
Ito, pinagpahinga muna si Marcus. I'm sure it's going to be a brief rest for Marcus Douthit.
So Sonny Thoss will need to hold his own in the final 3 minutes, or in the final few sequences. Marshall with the leather. Dearman with a pick. Marshall to the wing. Pull-up jumper. No! Tenorio with the rebound.
Yes, good boxing out for Team Pilipinas.
Without Marcus Douthit, gang rebounding ang ginamit natin doon. Here comes L.A. Tenorio. Kakampi niya sa Alaska, will offer the pick. Si Sonny Thoss. Tenorio once again!
Yes! L.A. Tenorio spinning and getting open.
One stop para sa Gilas. Justice for three. Oh, big three by James Justice.
Kita mo yung pinakamaliliit na mama, no, for both teams. Doing the most damage.
As we come up on the 2-minute warning, Tenorio asking for that pick. Doesn't use it. L.A. back to Thoss. L.A. once again. Three-pointer. Not that time around.
We're okay. Just need to get the stop. Ito na naman si Justice. Oh.
And he's fouled by Sonny Thoss. Pang-apat na team foul pa lang naman yan para dito sa Gilas, Pilipinas.
Ganda na spin dito ni L.A. Tenorio, pero on the other end, balik na naman si Justice. Pagbawi dito.
Di na pwede mamigay ng defensive foul dito ang Smart Gilas, Pilipinas. The Americans looking for the best possible shot. Justice Mitangan. Pull up. Justice Matalas. Tapikan. Marcus gets it over to Tenorio. Nice breather para dito kay Marcus Douthit. They go immediately. Douthit gets the deuce.
Good read there by L.A. Tenorio once again.
L.A. Tenorio, the hero of the day para dito sa Gilas, Pilipinas, gives us a 1-point lead. Chance of defense from the Filipinos in attendance. Justice to the wing.
Oh, that's traveling.
Arnold hanging in the air. Dearman nowhere to go. Tenorio picks it up.
No need to rush. No need to rush.
Tenorio into the lane. Will reset this attack. 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Wala nang isang minuto natitira sa bakbakan na ito. We were down by as much as 14. LA for a three. No. Rebound USA. And they push that letter with 38 seconds remaining.
Oh, underneath the libre. That's okay. 36 seconds. We have the ball. Only down by 1.
The USA, courtesy of Dearman, gets another 1-point lead, 75-74. 36 seconds na titira sa bakbakan na ito, Richard.
Oh, and we will hang on to the air and see the execution here para sa ating koponan. And our fate is still
Na dito, 36 seconds na titira, 75-74. We need a basket here,
That's
Richard.
right. Remember, USA still has a foul to give dito, no? So we have to take it aggressive to the basket. And if they foul, try to take that shot para maka 2 free throws tayo.
At yung coach ng USA, na si Travis McAvee, no threes ang sinesenya sa kanyang koponan. Norwood
Eto
having
na.
a light moment with Wayne Arnold. Norwood maglalabas ng bola. LA ang tatanggap. Exactly how Coach Chot drew it. Jeff Chan tumanggap. Jeff back to LA. Ngayon kailangan ng tumiskarte ni Teniente. Douthit will offer the pick. LA has 12 seconds to work with. Tenorio with an 18-footer. Yes!
Yes! Big shot by L.A. Tenorio. And right now, we only need a stop. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo dito.
Up, hindi na tumimeout ang USA. No fouls to give for Gilas. Gary David looking for the stop. No!
Dito rebound.
LA
With the
Tenorio with the rebound, and
And that's
LA
a foul.
Tenorio is fouled. That is a foul to give for the USA. Gilas Pilipinas will end down with 8 seconds remaining.
And LA Tenorio, monster ball game. You know, you can't say anything more about LA Tenorio. And he's doing everything here para sa ating Team Pilipinas.
And the US bench wants them to foul. If we get it inbounds, kapit bayan. Isang inbound na lang to. Maiparating lang yung bola sa loob, Richard.
And remember now, we need to get the ball to hands of our best free throw shooter. Importante nga, ma-inbound muna natin ito. Remember, they might not foul, they might just trap and force yung ball hogging violations sa atin.
Going this way, guys, ha? Okay. Got it.
So we take another look at that beautiful, picture-perfect shot from Luis Alfred Tenorio. He has definitely taken over.
You know, gotta give credit to that huge screen provided by Marcus Douthit. Kaya nabura sa eksena dun eh, si Justice.
Screen for Jeff. Come to the ball. Okay. If Jeff is denied, Marcus come to the ball. Lift it up there. Okay.
LA Tenorio waited all his life to be called into service. What a way for Teniente Tenorio to deliver,
Ay,
Richard.
gagawin ko ng general to. Basta manalo tayo.
Pagka in 8 seconds lamang tayo, LA Tenorio for president na tayo.
Alto, hindi lang. Importante dito yung inbound. And of course, after they foul, importante dito, free throw shooting.
Here we go. Inbound from the left.
There you go. Gotta get the ball inbounds. Nagbibilang na yung referee.
They gotta move it. Namuntikanan pa tayo doon. Ball will remain with Gilas. 7.3 remaining. We just need to get it inbounds. Norwood ang maglalabas ng bola.
Eto na, bola na kay Norwood na. Gotta get open.
Norwood to Tenorio. Tenorio will dribble away the time. Sinipa. Sinipa yung bola.
Yes.
Are we 4.5 seconds away from bringing home the Jones Cup Championship? 1 inbounds away. Hindi na sila makakaball. Hugging trap neto.
Hindi na. Kailangan nila dito steal.
Norwood to Doubt.
Oh, there we go.
Now the big Jeff Chen recovers. And he is immediately fouled.
And we like Jeff Chan in the free throw line. One of our best shooters. 1.9 seconds remaining.
There's more time on the clock. That clock ain't right.
Ayan, pinapa-review nung coach yung clock.
I don't have
Pinapayuhan pa siya dito ni Bob Marley.
Wala na siya. Si Bob Marley ba yan? Ito na ngayon, wala nang timeout ng USA. Okay? You gotta make the first free throw muna. Yan na.
At pinasok si Sol for defensive purposes. Kapit bayan, kapit bisig na mga player natin. Tayo, sabayan na natin.
Oh! Missed by Jeff Chan.
And now we have to guard that three-point line.
Jeff, miss.
Miss raw. Okay, miss na.
Dapat tinagalog. Oh, pagka miss to, they have to gather themselves.
Yes.
Mas magandang
Huwag lang
discard yan.
matapik ko sa front court.
Chan,
Ito na yung miss.
intentional miss. Yes!
Point 9.
Point 9 natitira. Lumabas pa kasi yung bola.
Okay, wala nang timeout. Do not foul. Importante dito, huwag fumaul in challenging a shot.
Point 9 away.
Remember.
One stop for Gilas.
Watch out for the alley-oop.
Ari, sa likod.
Here you go.
The USA looking for the miracle. Pinukol yung bola. Puts it up. No!
Wala!
Gilas Pilipinas will bring home the Jones Cup for only the 4th time in the 34-year history of this tournament.
And what a way to do it. Coming from behind once again. Playing with all their hearts.
LA Tenorio